Hello, my name is Andrew Greess. I'm the president of Quality Equipment and Spray and Qspray.com. If you're watching this video, you are considering buying one of our best-selling power spray rigs, and you may be asking yourself, why should I buy one of these sprayers? First, we are the only company in the industry, frankly the only company in the world, to offer a full 100% money-back guarantee on our sprayer. Use your sprayer for 90 days. If you're not happy, we'll buy it back in full. How can we do this? We do it because we build great sprayers that our customers love. I've been with this company for over 15 years, and we've only taken back one sprayer out of the many thousands we've sold. We design and build our power spray rigs for maximum productivity, reliability, safety, and ease of maintenance. Unlike other companies, we don't throw a sprayer together to hit the lowest cost. We think about what it will be like for the technician to use that sprayer every day, for the mechanic to repair it, and for you, the company owner, to get long-lasting value. For example, many companies use plastic fittings. We use brass. It costs more, but it won't break and ruin your day with a huge chemical spill. Good power sprayer design is critical. One of the most important things you can do to reduce your downtime is check your filter every day. Unlike many other sprayers, our sprayers are designed so that you can check the filter even when the tank is full. This will save you lots of time and lots of money. Our frames are raised so you can clean out the chemical and debris that collects in your truck. You won't have to show up at your customer's house in a filthy, smelly truck. We use heavier duty components than we need to because they last longer and have fewer problems. Also, we stock the parts you need. There's nothing worse than being down for a week because you can't find a $5 part for your sprayer. On our best-selling spray rigs, we stock every part, component, or kit you will likely ever need. Downtime kills productivity, and we view it as our job to keep you operating and productive. Please click the button below the sprayer to request a detailed quote, including specifications, price, warranty, and money-back guarantee. If you have any questions or comments, please email me at andrew@qspray.com. Thanks for watching, and I want you to know we stand behind our sprayers.